Friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make Escovitch fish in my kitchen. How me like it. It's simple, it's plain, nothing fancy about it. So here I have 4 snappers, not too big, not too small. These were $5.99 a pound, so it's cost me like almost $17 for these 4. We haven't had snapper fish actually since we moved here. I don't recall. Okay, so these are washed with lime, soaked in lime. I went ahead and cleaned out the rest of the inside, take out everything on the inside, and I went ahead and give it a couple scores on both sides. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season these, and what I'll be using to season these is just plain basic seasoning. Y'all can tell me what it is, just salt and black pepper, honey. That is it. Nothing fancy. Just salt and black pepper. Put some in where I score it. Right in there. That's it. Just good old salt and black pepper. Cannot go wrong. I hope you guys are doing fantastic for this new year. Start out a little bit crazy, you know, but we can still hang in there. We can still be turned around. You understand? Don't let nothing get you down. As long as you have faith and there is God, you'll be all right, honey. Go in with the fish juice. Swim on, baby, swim on, honey. I don't want to overcrowd because I want to give them space. So I'll do those 2 for now first, and then you do the other 2. Okay, family, so I went ahead and took out the scallions. I'm going to go ahead and take out these onions also because I don't want it to have that burn. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and split these bad boys right here. Look at that beauty. Yes, honey. Woo! Give yourself. Yes, nice, beautiful. All right, so I'm making a mess with the oil splashing everywhere. Don't worry. No, not have to worry because I don't live here. I'm gonna have to go clean it. All right, so family, while that is going on, and I kick up rumpus, it don't make no sense to clean off my stove because it's gonna get messy when I put the other two fish in. I have something here on the floor. Right, family. So in this pot right here, all right, I'm gonna do the stuff for the Escovitch. No, keep in mind, some people when they do Escovitch fish, they let it sit on the fish for days. You can if you want, you don't have to. I have some white vinegar here. This is just some plain white vinegar, not a lot. That's all I have left anyway, so that's good. Here I have one whole onion. Break it up, separate. One whole onion. Like so. Alright, pour the rest in. And over here on my chopping board, I have 1.5 Scotch bonnet pepper, seeds and the whole family. We're gonna bring this to a boil now. This is not something where, don't take it lightly. Who know about Scotch bonnet pepper? This is something that will, no, I don't know about you already. Scotch bonnet pepper is hot. Yeah, even with the seeds. My husband and my daughter like it like this. So we'll let this simmer, come to a simmer, a nice simmer. Get the onions translucent. Look after this, you're probably gonna hear me start coughing because of the vinegar and the Scotch bonnet pepper together. But when they go upon this fish, boy, may I tell you, you see how let's eat a nice fish till tomorrow. All right, so let that continue to simmer, and then we're gonna come back over here to these fish. Right, see the onion and everything I start get. The vinegar is coming to a simmer. So I'm just mixing around, make sure everybody gets into that vinegar to get translucent. Separate them as much as possible. Oh yes, you can start smell the pepper already. Trust me already. So let that simmer up a little. Let that simmer a little. Vinegar and the pepper combination and the onion. Look at that. That is beautiful. So that is looking nice because the onion, the vinegar going to take on the onion and the pepper, and the onion is going to soak up that vinegar and the pepper, and then the juice. Oh yes, so we like our onions a little bit crunchy too when we have our Escovitch fish. So I'm just going to give this about 5 more minutes. And I'm just going to shut this off. This is perfect. I'm going to shut this off here. Take it off of the burner. Alright, so there go the fish, them looking nice and beautiful. Check out this other piece of onion. And please remember that this oil will have even the pepper in there. So let's see what this looking like. Oh, that is beautiful. Excuse me, guys. Oh, that is beautiful. Now we're going to take these out because we don't want them to be too crispy. Alright, they're fried nicely. They're nice. So we're going to take these out. Excuse me. And we're going to put them here on in this baking dish. Alright. Turn off the oil. Oh, no. We're gonna get that oil back up, temperature back up. Just let the temperature rise a little bit. Back in with the other two fish. Yes, honey, do you, boo? I'm far away from you. Because listen me crazy. All right. Okay, so let's check these fishes here. If they're ready to turn. All right, these don't have long to go. So make these two finish and then I'll be back. All right, family. Let's check out these two fish. Turn the stove off. Put these out. Or drain. Like that. And then we're gonna come over here. Right here, so come over here. And then we're just gonna pour the onion, the pepper, while it's still hot. Yes, really. While it's still hot. Some people add bell peppers and stuff like that to their vinegar and onion, but we're not gonna eat it. It doesn't make sense to do it. Uh-oh. All that vinegar. And yes, that is it, you guys. This is how I do my Escovitch fish. If I try mix some of the vinegar gets. Let's have a look. Let's have a picture. Yes. Not too much. Let's just soak it up. Okay. So yes, family and friends. This is how I do my Escovitch fish. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, or anyone who tuned in to see. Please protect yourself and your family. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and also that like button. And until next time, family, we meet again. Please be safe. Bye-bye.